I hold you in like breaths of air. I blow you out without any cares. 'Cause in you I see now everything I don't wanna be now. Is this not what you wanted? I am not the person you see. I am not you, you are not me. But in you I see now everything I might turn out to be now. This is not what you wanted. This is not what you wanted. Become you, and I'm too sorry to even try anymore. You're such a success, and I love to pretend that such a successful pretender I am now. Minor, major, what's your wager? Oh, how much would you spend on me to rid of this guilt, to rid of your guilt? I'd give up everything I was supposed to be. Is this not what you wanted? Is this not what you wanted? Is this not what you wanted? Something about it just makes me happy. Is this not what you wanted? Something about it just makes me happy. Is this not what you wanted? The promise is the problem in everything I know. Sunlight no longer bleeding from my soul. The only thing I could ever see is becoming what I hate most. Deeply rooted within my fear to never give up the Is this not what you wanted? 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 Something about it just makes me happy. Something about it just makes me happy.